Hello, hello, hello.
Hello.
If you tell us what your name is, we will tell you.
And swimming. Life jacket दिखानी है. Just
What is that? There's a shed over there or something?
there must be a kitchen area or something. I am not.
So that's the place
My
where it's a
first
proper
time
place where you have a dinner and all
हाँ.
at the night.
Ah, okay.
Sorted with tables and stuff.
So you can go down the ladder.
Huh?
Simple. Circle, 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 circle. It can be a smaller circle, no hand movements. Straight, simple. Verbal game. Okay? Anybody switching up the words, the direction also changes. So if it's coming from this way and it's fuzzy duck, fuzzy duck, fuzzy duck, I say ducky first. He has to say ducky first, ducky first, ducky first, ducky first, ducky first. Fuzzy duck goes in one direction, ducky first goes in the other. Simple. Fuzzy first.
Everyone, come on this side so that Eliza can see all your faces.
You can see me also.
This is Elijah.
Not that dark, dude.
He's just gonna give us Elijah's going to give us a briefing about fireflies and what we are to expect on the walk. Okay, so just listen to what he.
Yeah, so the light, y'all might be wondering, oh, crazy, right? Like, how can something biological make light? It's the simple definition is bioluminescence. Bio is any biological, chemical reaction within a biological being. Luminescence is light. A general question to all of y'all, what do y'all think fireflies flicker light to whosoever for? What are the possible ideas y'all think y'all have in your mind? That's one, right? Any other ideas that y'all have? Okay, great. Anything else? So, if the male succeeds in getting the female sends a signal, male comes and he comes and lands on the female and they mate. What happens after that? The male dies, does not pay for child support, and the female takes another 2 months to lay the eggs. So for a lot of y'all that think that fireflies' lives are really like short-lived, the major part of their life is lived in the larval forms, and they are also called glowworms. So you might want to see fireflies, and you might want to see worms that glow too.
Females ghosted the male.
He's not as sweet. That's what she said.